slab. Slab thickness 240 mm. This is power floated. So this is power float after initial setting time. They are doing this power float. This is lip lobby. See this flatness and levelness. So zero tolerance in levelness. You can observe that flatness and levelness. Even though in column area they scrabbled this to remove that concrete license, concrete slurry, to use as a mechanical key for next lift. After that Hassan cloth covering for curing purpose. All these horizontal RCC components is cured by water sprinkling. After dry Hassan cloth covering, this is the system of sprinkling water by water jet machine. This is one angle fitted on core wall to use total station. After Hassan cloth, they are covering that Hassan cloth by polyethylene sheet so that water evaporation rate will be less. The dampness will be more longer. Very good. See these column dowels. No slurry, concrete slurry on that rebars. That protruded at open end covered by the rebar cap. That opening for concrete boom. This is construction joint, dowels,